Hello, everyone. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we are Backyard Musings, broadcasting live from Apple Valley. We are the Science and Technology Channel. Before we start, I got a funny story I want to share with you regarding Cameron. Cameron's a blast.
It's kind of a science project or a science story.
Archaeology, at least.
Yeah.
So yesterday, he's going at it on the swing set. I'll show you momentarily. And it's like jockeying, it's like going really hard. And so I walk over there and there's some bolts missing at the top. So I shut the operation down. I tell him, stop. We got to fix this. We can fix this tomorrow. I don't have the bolts, but we'll go to Home Depot. We'll fix it. Do something else. And I'm eating lunch out here, right? And so he starts digging in the sand yard. So you can see the sand, all the sand over here, right? If you notice that little green bucket over there, that's where he was digging. He started digging, right? So he's going at it, and he's digging with his little shovel, right? And he finds this, and that's all he can see. He can't see this yet. He can only see this. He's, Dad, come over here. Look what I found. Okay, so I go over there. I run to make it, exciting. Whoa, Cameron, it's a tablet. Get it, pull it out. So he starts with his finger. No. Get your tool. Work smarter, not harder. So he gets his tool, he pulls it out, right? And so he keeps digging. And then he finds this one. And another piece. He can't see the side, but he sees the top. I said, get it, Cameron. See if they fit together. So he starts to, maybe it's a tablet. Cameron. That's my exciting story for yesterday. So we might bury something out there and have him find it and have it be real, money or something.
Yeah,
gold.
Maybe we'll do it live on a Saturday.
Those were roof tiles. Debris from when they built the house 40 years ago.
I don't think either one of these fits in there. So. Anyway,
funny, hilarious.
Funny story. He's the character.
He is. All right, let's move on with the show here. All right. Very interesting today. Astronomers have traced a mysterious, fast radio burst to an unexpected place, an ancient, massive galaxy far removed from active star formation. This revelation shakes up the conventional wisdom that such cosmic phenomena exclusively arise from younger, star-rich regions, hinting at the unknown complexities of the universe and sparking a fresh wave of scientific inquiry into the origins and environments of FRBs, those whatever radio bursts. So I think I know. I mean, Heavenly Father has many creations, and this is just a creation that died out long time ago. That's what I think. Would you like to know more?
For the first time, astronomers have traced a fast radio burst, like I said, FRB, to the outskirts of an ancient dead elliptical galaxy, an unprecedented home for a phenomenon previously associated with much younger galaxies. Detailed in two complementary studies led by Northwestern University and McGill University, the discovery shatters assumptions that FRBs solely emanate from regions of active star formation. The new observational evidence instead hints that the origins of these mysterious cosmic events might be more diverse than previously thought. Both studies were published January 21st in the Astrophysical Journal Letters.
So radio burst. I mean, all those SETI dishes that are in New Mexico aimed up to try and catch the burst. It caught a burst, right?
Okay.
Maybe it's a language. Who knows, But what we know that God's creations are numberless. If you could count the sands of the sea, it would not even come close to his creations. So it makes sense that he created humans far, far away a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. I know it sounds silly.
It's been a long time.
I know it sounds silly, but we are eternal beings. He is an eternal Father.
Yeah.
So this could be a remnant from way past.
Exactly.
Quote, the prevailing theory is that FRBs come from magnetars formed through core collapse supernovae, said Northwestern's Tarana Eftekhari, who led one of the studies and co-authored the other. That doesn't appear to be the case here. While young massive stars end their lives as core collapse supernovae, we don't see any evidence of young stars in this galaxy. Thanks to this new discovery, a picture is emerging that shows not all FRBs come from young stars. Maybe there's a subpopulation of FRBs that are associated with older systems. End quote.
So continue the quote. Maybe, I don't know if this is, it's from somebody else. This new FRB shows that just when you think you understand an astrophysical phenomenon, the universe turns around and surprises us. And that's said by Northwestern's Wen-Fei Fong, a senior author on both studies. This dialogue, again a quote, with the universe is what makes our field of time domain astronomy so incredibly thrilling. Okay. F. Takari is a NASA Einstein Fellow at Northwestern's Center for Interdisciplinary Exploration and Research Astrophysics, CIERA. Okay. Fong is an associate professor of physics and astronomy at Northwestern's Weinberg College of Arts and Sciences and a member of the CIERA.
Exciting, man.
Yeah.
Astronomers first detected the new FRB dubbed FRB 2024-0209 Alpha in February 2024, hence the 2024-0209, probably on the 9th of February, with the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, CHIME. That's funny. Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment. Flaring up and disappearing within milliseconds, FRBs are brief, powerful radio blasts that generate more energy in one quick burst than our sun emits in an entire year.
Wow.
That's a wow. A wow.
Yeah, that's a big deal.
My wife says she loves me with the power of a million suns. And just to hear this, that's crazy for 1 year. Crazy. But this event flared up more than once. Between the initial burst in February through July 2024, the same source produced another 21 pulses, 6 of which were also detected by an outrigger telescope located 60 kilometers away from CHIME's main station. Smaller versions of CHIME, the outriggers enable astronomers to precisely confine the specific of locations of FRBs in the sky, kind of like triangulation. You can, with the different spaces, you can pinpoint it.
So after the team pinpointed the FRB's position, F. Takari and her collaborators hurried to use telescopes at the W.M. Keck and Gemini observatories to explore the event's surrounding environment. In a specialized room on the Evanston campus, Northwestern astronomers have remote access to Keck, which enables them to quickly observe phenomena of high interest. Instead of finding a young galaxy, these observations surprisingly revealed that the FRB originated at the edge of a 11.3 billion year old neighboring galaxy located just 2 billion light years from Earth.
Let's think about that.
That is
2 billion light years. That's crazy. That would take, and I'm thinking of Stargate Atlantis, where the Pegasus system was way over in another universe. That would just take forever to get there by conventional traveling means, or even with a faster than light travel.
An 11.3 billion year old neighboring galaxy.
A galaxy far, far away, a long time ago.
And like you said, there's no timeline here, right?
No.
It's all in Heavenly Father's
Heavenly
time.
Father is eternal. Yeah. And we are eternal beings, just like him. He created us. We're his children. All right. To learn more about this unusual host galaxy, the team used high-performance computers to run simulations, probably with AI, right? They found that the galaxy is extremely luminous and incredibly massive, 100 billion times the mass of our sun. Okay. It seems to be the most massive FRB host galaxy to date, F. Takari said. It's among some of the most massive galaxies out there.
But while most FRBs originate well within their galaxies, the team traced FRB 202-402-09A to the outskirts of its home, 130,000 light years from the galaxy's center, where few other stars exist. Among the FRB population, this FRB is located the furthest from the center of its host galaxy. That's according to Vishwangi Shan, a graduate student at McGill who led the effort to pinpoint the FRB's origins. These people have just got to be like so smart it gives you a headache.
And they're probably jumping up and down excited by finding this.
Yeah.
I'll bet you.
Yeah.
Just think of the Big Bang Theory, the guy, the nerds, right? They're probably that's these guys probably excited. You know what I'm saying?
This is a quote. This is both surprising and exciting as FRBs are expected to originate inside galaxies, often in star-forming regions. The location of this FRB so far outside its host galaxy, raises questions as to how much energetic events can occur in regions where no new stars are forming. So,
before this discovery,
crazy.
Yeah, crazy. Astronomers had traced only one other fast radio burst to the outer fringes of a galaxy. In 2022, an international team of astronomers detected an FRB which emanated from a tight cluster of stars on the edge of Messier 81, M81. That's M81 is a region in space. All astronomers know that.
One better than an M80 that used to blow up when you were a kid? No?
One better.
One better. Okay.
A grand design spiral galaxy located about 12 million light years from Earth. Although FRB 2024-0209 Alpha occurred in an elliptical galaxy, the two events share several other similarities. Out of the nearly 100 FRBs that have been pinpointed to a galaxy so far, most have likely originated from magnetars, which are formed through core collapse supernovae. Astrophysicists posit FRB 2024-0209 Alpha's origin, however, might be similar to the FRB found in M81.
The McGill-led study discusses the likelihood that the new FRB originated within a dense globular cluster. Such clusters are promising sites for magnetars possibly formed through their other mechanisms and associated with older stars, including through the merger of two neutron stars or from a white dwarf collapsing under its own gravity. Quote, a globular cluster origin for this repeating FRB is the most likely scenario to explain why this FRB is located outside its host galaxy. That's said by Shaw. We do not know for a fact if there is a globular cluster present at the FRB position, and have submitted a proposal to use the James Webb Space Telescope for follow-up observations of the FRB location. If yes, it would make this FRB only the second FRB known to reside in a globular cluster. If not, we would have to consider alternative exotic scenarios for the FRB's origin. Quote, again, well, continue to quote, it's clear that there's still a lot of exciting discovery space when it comes to FRBs, F. Takari said, and that their environments could hold the key to unlocking their secrets. So, yeah,
this is
crazy
fascinating.
Stuff.
Yeah,
crazy stuff.
I mean, it caught my eye when I saw it come across the news.
I mean, these telescopes that they're dealing with and antenna that they're dealing with are just got to be ultimately fast and strong. Just crazy. Like I know the Webb telescope has been
that's in space.
It's been around for a while. Yeah,
in space. Yeah,
and it's. I mean, I haven't heard any reason why that thing is just going to continue to go and go and go. I mean, I don't know what would wear
unless
out in it.
Unless something, little asteroid particles or radiation, just punch through it.
Yeah, so that's going to be a treasure for a long time, I think.
Yeah, great things have come out of that. Thanks for joining us today. Catch us in the morning. We've got some more fascinating stuff to talk to you about.
Take care, everyone. Thanks.